Demolition by Sally Sutton. Grab your gear, buckle, tie, and strap. Safety jackets, boots, and hats. Zip, stamp, snap. Swing the ball, thump and smash and whack. Bring the top floors tumbling down, bang, clack, crack. Work the jaws, bite and tear and slash. Dinosaurs had teeth like this, rip, roar, crash. Ram the walls, bash and smash and slam. First they wobble, then they fall, thud, creak, wham. Hose the dust, dampen down the dirt. Careful now, don't cough or choke, wish, splish, squirt. Crush the stone, chip and grind and munch. Make new concrete from the old, whir, chur, crunch. Shred the wood, split and chop and chip. Turn the sawdust into mulch, screech, scrunch, rip. Sort the steel, heave and toss and bang. Metal can be used again, clink, clank, clang. Load the trucks, lift and shift and heap. Drive away the piles of junk, whump, whop, beep. Build the hut, tap and twist and knock. Don't forget the monkey bars, bim, bam, thwack. Join the fun, run and climb and play. Give 3 cheers, the job is done. Hip, hip, hooray!